Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in to Finch self-care app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Finch and then search for it. And once it loads, simply tap on the app and then tap on the get option or install option to download the app. Now once you download the app, what you need to do is go back and then tap on the app. And now if you are new to the Finch app, in order to log in, what you need to do is just simply answer a bunch of questions that is asked to you, and then answer the selected choices that you want in order to proceed to the next question. And once you have answered all the questions, you'll be landing on this page, and you can see there are a bunch of options like home, quest, shop, friends, back, and your profile icon. And on tapping on the profile icon here, you'll be seeing the details as well. And in order to pet your virtual pet, all you gotta do is simply tap on it, and that will pet your virtual pet. And once you tap on quest here, you can complete all those quests in order to earn the in-game currencies, which can later be used in the shop as well. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.